Good morning. This is cause number 2004-20689 in the interest of Kenley and Kennedy McClendon. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Good morning. My name is Tomika Rochelle Johnson. I'm the mother of Kenley McClendon and Kennedy McClendon.
All right, and representing the Attorney General.
Luis Regla.
Court note that the non-custodial parent, Kenyon McClendon, is not present. Mr. McClendon was personally served on April 5th, 2021 at 5:10 p.m. 3603 Bridgedale Drive in Houston, Harris County, Texas. And he has not filed an answer. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
That is correct. That is correct, Judge.
He's also given further notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail. Return receipt requested. Was that unclaimed? It doesn't seem to show delivery.
Yes, Judge. It was unclaimed.
Okay. All right. It was attempted notice by certified mail, which was unclaimed. So, and he has not checked in today, correct?
Correct.
All right. We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. And I'm also going to offer, apart from the notice, the pay record in this case. And I ask that the pay record be admitted.
Is it marked? It's not marked.
Oh, Judge, I will mark it and file it as Exhibit B.
Exhibit B.
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Johnson, have you had an opportunity to look at this pay record?
No, I have not. No, sir, I have not. No.
You have not?
Not as of yet.
Mr. Regla?
I believe it was emailed.
Let me check. Give me one moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I've just received it.
All right. Do you have any objections to me admitting Exhibit B into evidence?
I do not.
All right. State's Exhibit B is admitted.
Thank you, Judge.
And you want to proceed?
Yes, Judge. May I call witnesses now?
Sure.
Thank you. I'll begin with Mr. Barrera. And sir, what's your full name?
Arnaldo Barrera.
And you are employed with the Texas Attorney General's office, is that correct?
That is correct.
And you received training in line with the Texas Family Code in order to perform investigations and calculations as far as support goes. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And do you have a report for the court today as far as the gross income, medical support, and child support of Kenyon McClendon in this case?
Yes. After my investigation for Mr. McClendon, his monthly gross resources is $2,195.59. After taxes and healthcare, his net income is $1,812.79. Proposed child support amount should be $363, and the proposed medical support would be $98. This was for one child and no additional children.
Okay, thank you, sir. Judge, I'll pass this witness now.
Ms. Johnson, do you have any questions of Mr. Barrera?
No, sir, I do not.
All right. Mr. Regla, can we excuse Mr. Barrera then?
Yes, Judge.
All right, Ms. Barrera, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Judge, next I'll call the mother as a witness.
All right.
And ma'am, how old is the youngest child that you have in this case?
She's 17.
Okay, she'll be turning 18 this year, is that correct?
That's correct, in June.
All right, and the agreed request in this default order is to start the new child support the month after the father was served. Is that correct?
I didn't hear you. Let me turn my microphone. Turn you up a little bit. Could you repeat your question, please?
Yes, the request that you and the state are making today is for the new medical support and new child support to start May 1st, 2021, because that's the first month after the father was served. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And so you'd agree with the state for the court to grant a child support judgment as of the month before that, April 30th, 2021, with the child support judgment of $9,132.17 to be paid at $95 a month. Would you agree with that?
Yes, sir, that's correct.
And for the court to confirm a medical support judgment as of that same day, April 30th, 2021, at $3,765.93 with the monthly payout of $70 beginning May 1st.
That's
Do you
correct.
agree? Okay. And you heard the testimony by the child support officer just a few minutes ago.
I did.
And as far as you know, his investigation and calculations correct?
Yes, sir.
And the previous order had already included that your address and phone number could be kept confidential from the father in this case. You're continuing that request today, is that right?
This is correct.
Judge, I'll pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. And thank you, ma'am. You can disconnect now from Zoom.